आए, ये तो मेरा क्लीवेज है, ये तो मैंने भी दिखाई दी। क्या बात कर रही हो? इसमें तो डिंपल भी बढ़ते हैं।
Have you ever been watching all of those videos which are called as being Indian, being single, being Punjabi, being friend zone? Then guess what? Today on Curly Tales we are being Sahil. I am with
अरे वाह, hello,
Sahil Hattar and we are going to vox pops him just as he vox pops everybody on the streets of Bombay, Mumbai, Bangalore, all of them.
Chennai, Hyderabad, and today we are going to get Khatarnak. That's the new YouTube channel name.
अच्छा, सबसे पहले तो Sahil, how are you?
I've been very well. God has been kind. Inshallah, the boys are playing well, and everything.
But moving on to talking about vox pops, let's talk a little about vox pops. मुझे पहले तो ये बताइए, what are these variations and what are these new names of vox pops that you have heard from people? क्योंकि ये vox pops जो term है ये बड़ा ही confusing है, लोगों को समझता नहीं है. So what are these funny variations that you might have heard?
So vox pop is basically derived from a Latin term called vox populi, which means the voice of the people. So यहाँ पे हम बात में से बात निकालते हैं, आवाज़ देते हैं लोगों को बात करने के लिए और टॉपिक्स के ऊपर आगे जाएं और वार्तालाप करें. So vox pop is obviously the correct term. Then I've heard vox pox. I have heard Volkswagen. I have heard street interviews, which is still okay. But then fox pop, there's fox pox, and then there is chicken pox. So there's all kinds of things that come to us. Sometimes the brands also come and say कि हमने ना आपके साथ vox pox करना है. मैं कहाँ पर किस box में करना है?
Okay, now I'm going to tell you a few things. Okay, you being the vox pop king, you have to tell me.
Vox pop की, I wish there was a kingdom. And vox pop होता हो, and I would have been the king. At least I would not have done what
आज हम
everybody
आपको
else.
ताज पहना के छोड़ेंगे. Okay, you have to tell me what is the first thought that comes to your mind when I say these things. Okay, Mumbai on GK.
Average.
On that note, Delhi on GK.
Super killer. They are excellent because कितने लोग होते हैं अपने IAS की तैयारियां करने, अपने IPS की तैयारियां करने वहाँ आते हैं और सब इतने पढ़े लिखे हैं, आप उनको मामू नहीं बना सकते. Like in Bombay, we've gone ahead and asked people, "Okay, who's the father of the nation?" Everybody knows, but who's the mother of the nation? And if people get confused. एक मिनट, mother है क्या? या मामा है क्या? Sister है क्या? And then Delhi में दिल में गए पागल हो गए, तेरा दिमाग खराब है, होता ही नहीं है
You
ऐसा.
can't fool people basically.
Yeah, so Delhi is much more proactive in terms of GK and pop culture.
Kiki challenge.
कीकी चैलेंज इज मोर एज अ पंजाबी लाइक कीकी चैलेंज है यार. ये मतलब इसमें है ही क्या, गाड़ी का दरवाजा खोलो और अपनी सेफ्टी जेपरडाइज करो. की करना है, किसी को पता ही नहीं है, बस साथ में ड्राइव करते रहो और कुछ भी डांस मूव्स करते रहो. एंड आई गेस मेरे को कुछ स्टेप्स तो याद भी हैं. की डू यू लव आर यू बैड समथिंग लाइक दैट, आई डोंट नो.
Relaxation of section 377.
So happy for it. Finally love prevailed and everybody can love everybody, and it wasn't like how things were earlier. And I'm happy that a lot of these guys and girls are coming out of the closet and feeling what they really felt, and they are being themselves, and that is what I guess everything is about.
Okay, last one, Priyanka Chopra and Nick Jonas.
Oh, so I know Priyanka because I used to again work with her a lot. And Nick Jonas obviously पता नहीं कहाँ से आया because I never knew he'll come into an equation like this. And Priyanka Chopra always used to have that sharp brain, so I guess she saw what nobody else saw in Nick, which is a really mature and grown up man. And I'm happy कि अब एक finally हंसता खेलता लल्ला हुआ है हमारे घर में. And his name is Nick Jonas.
I'm going to show you some of Bollywood's very famous cleavages.
Yes.
I'm going to have you guess them.
Okay.
Okay, you'll have to guess
Role
from the
reversal.
picture. हाँ जी.
जी चलिए. Now that the paper is here.
Papers.
Papers by cleavages.
So in the papers we have the cleavages. I'm going to show them to you. You have to quickly guess कि ये किसका cleavage. Cleavage number 1.
Cristiano Ronaldo.
क्या आप देख रहे हो ये क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो को?
नहीं.
जो क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो नहीं है.
अरे तो एक और guess. Is he somebody famous?
क्या? I told you Bollywood.
Bollywood, ऋतिक रोशन.
That's right.
मेरे को ऐसा क्रिस्टियानो रोनाल्डो, अच्छा उसका भी ऐसा रेल का पटरी जाता है ना भाई का. वो लगा था. This is ऋतिक रोशन
Biscuit.
from Biscuit, having it in Dhoom 2.
Yes.
Yeah.
Exact मूवी के नाम के साथ
जी जी, आई एम अ बॉलीवुड बफ, या व्हाई नॉट.
Bollywood buff. Okay. Here is the next cleavage. Cleavage number 2.
अक्षय कुमार. अक्षय कुमार. दिस इज द चुरा के दिल मेरा गुड़िया चली डेज.
Yes. Okay, and then moving on to the next. Oh, this one's my favorite.
एक मिनट भैया,
ये वाला मेरा favorite.
ये ऐसा छाती है जिसमें से कोई मक्खी ना बच पाए. ये मेरा छातिया.
Yes.
शावा Anil Kapoor. Ask me, so this is how Anil Kapoor walks into a set. Ask me how am I doing?
How are you doing?
Handsome.
He loves doing that, doesn't he?
He is so confident and there's so much to learn from him.
Yeah,
and he's the only guy who could support a mustache when everybody was going clean shave.
I know, and I know I've done.
That too
one
all
shoot
over
with
his
him.
chest, I mean.
So I've done one shoot with him, and he's very intimidating as a person.
He
He
is,
is very
he is.
intimidating. He's got such a charming personality, and I remember doing the interview and सारे लोग बात कर रहे थे. Nobody saw this coming, and he just yells on the top of his voice saying, "Silence!" And everybody just shook. जो मेरा कैमरा वाला था उसका कैमरा हिल रहा था, बोल रहा है ये मैं करूँ कि नहीं करूँ.
It's a dish. Next.
Moving on to the next chest.
आए! ये तो मेरा क्लीवेज है. ये तो मैंने भी दिखाई थी. क्या बात कर रही हो? इसमें तो डिंपल भी बढ़ते हैं. कोई मुझे ले जाओ प्लीज, कोई मुझे ले जाओ. ताला लगा के खुद ही खा लो चाबी. क्या क्या बुलवाई जा रही हो?
अच्छा ठीक है. Okay, we move to the last
इस
one.
क्लीवेज में तो बहुत सारे पंप उखाड़े हैं. आशा वाली,
खम्बे भी उखाड़े.
आशा वाली, मेरी क्लीवेज जिंदाबाद थी, जिंदाबाद है और जिंदाबाद
रहेगी. Okay, this is the last one, which is amazing. ये actual size वाली cleavage.
ये तो ऐसा लग रहा है नागिन 3 से फोटो उठाए हुए. देखो ना, नाग की 2 आंखें हैं. ऐसा फन निकल रहा है. I have no idea what is this. This can be anybody's, na. This can be mine also, but a little more darker. Like I'm not like milk chocolate. I'm like a little dark chocolate.
Dark chocolate. ये Bollywood.
ये बॉलीवुड है? I don't know. This one is really tricky.
No,
No idea.
this is
Chunky Pandey. Imagine a guy whose name is Chunky doesn't have a chunky,
ness, chunkiness.
yeah, chest. Like you can't take a bite out of it.
Okay, so tell me a little about your first kiss. When did you lose your kiss virginity?
I think the first time I ever kissed was in the 8th grade,
Okay.
and it was a great moment for me. शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया था. मैं कहा भाई ये क्या कर रहे हो? तो बोले वो मुन्ना भाई का कमरा था ना, भाई ये तो शुरू होते ही खत्म हो गया, एक काम करते हैं अगला वाला कमरा अंदर लेते हैं. So then I went for the second kiss in the first kiss.
Okay.
So it was pretty special, and it was with a very special girl. At that time, obviously we are kids, so we just want to have fun, and the hormones are raging, and you just hit puberty and you realize, अरे वाह, life में ये भी है.
Okay, tell us, Sahil, have you ever been the victim of awkward hugs?
So many times. That is why the idea came out. So कई बारी जैसे obviously we can talk to, and that is what our speciality is, from the richest of the richest to the everybody to the everybody. We connect to everybody also on a very humane level. तो आप किसी सोशल गैदरिंग में जाते हो ना, तो आप किसी बंदे से बहुत अच्छी कॉन्वर्सेशन कर चुके हो 2-3 बार,
Right.
पर वो साइड हग देते हैं. तो मैं कहता हूँ यार, फिर मैं टर्न कर जाता हूँ. मुझे यार साइड हग वाली क्या बात है, तेरे से तो अच्छी बात हुई थी. फिर कई बारी आप मूड में नहीं होते तो आप हैंडशेक करके बैठ जाते हो, तो फिर वो बंदा ना ऐसे आते आते ऐसे कि ये क्या हो रहा
Single
है.
hug, single, वो अकेला ही hug कर रहा
हाँ,
होता
वो
है.
अकेला हग कर रहा होता है, सोलो हग होती है, और वो फिर उसके बाद मेकआउट भी करने लग जाता है ऐसे ऐसे करके. बट दैट्स डिफरेंट. फिर कई बारी ग्रीटिंग करते हुए, जैसे आपने ऑकवर्ड हग वीडियो में भी देखा था, मैं पैरी पौना कर देता हूँ.
हाँ.
अंकल आंटियों का होता है ना. अब पंजाब का अलग है, बॉम्बे का अलग है. सो आई एम फ्रॉम पंजाब, आई एम फ्रॉम
Right.
चंडीगढ़.
Right.
सो वहाँ पे आप अंकल आंटी को मिलते हो तो यू जस्ट गो लाइक
Yeah.
दिस. हियर इट्स मोर लाइक अ हैंडशेक एंड अ हग. आई वाज लाइक
सारा मिला के
कौन
करते हुए.
करता है? हाँ,
Cocktail.
मतलब
ऐसे.
it has to be that.
Yeah.
Otherwise, what's the point? And awkward hugs are the best. Like, look at this. Wait, I'll tell you. अरे अच्छा गले तो मिले बस ऐसे गले मिलना था हैप्पीनेस स्प्रेड कर रहे हैं
मैं समझा कि आप लोग शूटिंग कर रहे
नहीं नहीं शूटिंग हो गया
I think
So
that's
see?
more like spreading happiness. isn't it?
Exactly,
That's the whole
exactly.
point about
Yeah.
awkward hugs.
Yeah.
Okay, so tell us, Sahil, are you single?
Am I single? I don't know. Because I guess it's very difficult to be in a relationship in a very hefty or a packed schedule. Because, and also a lot of people don't understand your mindset if they are not from the same field.
Yeah.
So if I perform and I'm an artist, a lot of these women, they do need that much of attention and time. But most of the times we are doing something on the set, we are writing, we are jamming, we are shooting, I'm anchoring, I'm acting. But I'm still, I think, on the lookout, and I hope there is somebody as special as me on the other side of the bridge that is looking out for the same.
देखो वहाँ पे अगर कोई दिख रहा है तो on the other side of the bridge.
नहीं वहाँ सूप वाला है बस और कोई नहीं है. I think I'm in a relationship with you.
With the soup wala.
Yeah.
Okay. Tell me, what are the pros and cons according to you about of being single?
Pros and cons of being single. So pro is you have a lot to share. Con is that you have a lot to share. Pro is that you have a lot of time to spend with the other person, and same is the con.
Con. You have a lot of time to spend with that person.
So basically ये पुलिस वालों की तरह होता है relationship. दोस्ती भी बुरी और दुश्मनी भी.
Okay, but on that note, is there something you would like to tell people who are watching you today on the other side of the mic?
So what I really want to say is कि like my videos, share my videos and subscribe to Curly Tales. But on a serious note, मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि डिजिटल का जो बूम आया था वो एक बहुत छोटे स्फेयर से शुरू हुआ था एंड नाउ एवरीबडी वांट्स टू राइड ऑन द वेव ऑफ
Yes.
इट. व्हाट आई वुड रियली अर्ज everybody who's trying to make digital content is keep it as real as possible. हर एक चीज़ में बॉलीवुड घिसाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. And if you think you can be a YouTuber, you are already a YouTuber.
Thank you so much, Sahil. It was amazing
Thank you so much, Gina.
talking to you. Amazing meeting you as well.
Likewise.
Thank you so much. Perfect time to light
सही हो
this.
गया, सही हो गया.